I would say we have a moot problem. We're on the way to the lake house. The roads are a little bumpy. In case you didn't hear me, it's one bumpy road. I think we made it. But I can't read the signs. Julia, did we make it?
Yeah.
We made it. Yeah, we definitely made it. So let me go ahead and show you around the cabin that we rented. So we have the upstairs and the downstairs. And this is brand new. They just built this about 2 months ago. I mean, you can obviously tell it still smells brand new. We may be changed and ready for the lake/river, but we're not ready. Julia! Smile, guy. Going in. I don't even like lakes, so you can tell from my goggles. Not a lake guy, I'm an ocean guy. Julie and I were just saying how beautiful it is out here. It really is, isn't it?
Yes, nature is absolutely amazing.
Now, Ukraine put in new drone laws, almost similar to the United States. You can't go any higher than, like translation, into 400 feet, which is the same in the U.S. Can't fly over people, so on and so forth. But where we're at the national park in the United States, you can't fly national park, but here you can. So you know I'm going to get some nice drone footage. So let's get this bird in the sky, and I'll probably get some footage tomorrow morning. I'm told that this is a leftover Soviet Navy boat. It's aluminum, and it's got all the rivets on it. I mean, I can't imagine it being, but then again, who knows? I can see motor on that. Let's see. Or this is the funniest thing ever. I'm taking a swim. I had to run upstairs to get some aloe because I'm burnt out of my mind. And there was a commercial that sounded like the Mr. Clean commercial. And when I went on there, it is Mr. Clean, but over here they call it Mr. Proper. I gotta go to the store and take a picture of this because it is goofy looking, because it is Mr. Clean, but here they call it Mr. Proper. Alright, back to swimming. He's already doing it. He's not even in the water yet. Truly is the dog days of summer. So now we're at a lake, and the one thing they have here, of course, they don't have crabs, but they do have crawfish. I've never had crawfish before, and so today Julia's father bought me crawfish, and we're gonna give it a try. Now we don't have Old Bay, which is a bummer. So next time I come and bring an Old Bay, but we're gonna try some good Ukrainian crawfish. Weighed a kilo of crawfish. First time I ever had them. Absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to have these again one time.